Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you simple but elegant home decor DIYs using inexpensive items like these maple leaf placemats that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. The first thing I did was trace my maple leaf onto a thick piece of foam board that I already had at home. I then cut out the maple leaf using an X-Acto knife. I purchased this foam board from Hobby Lobby several months ago, but you could also use 2 to 3 Dollar Tree foam boards as well. I wanted to make 2 of these, but instead of buying additional foam board, here's what I did. My edges were relatively smooth, so I didn't have to sand my cutout, but I did use a pair of scissors to ensure that the edges were as smooth as possible. The Dollar Tree has several options to cover my cutout, including paint, but I opted to use Dollar Tree glitter paper instead. Next, I began using scissors to cut away the excess paper, but I soon switched over to my X-Acto knife, which helped me get around the curves a bit better. Next, I covered the edges of my cutout. To cover my edges, I decided to use small mirror towels that I had left over from a previous project. I then used a strong adhesive to add my metallic silver maple leaf right on top. I covered my foam board with glitter paper because I wanted a sparkly background, but this design would also be super cute with the white foam board background as well. And in case you're wondering, yes, these placemats can be painted. I spray painted this one in my favorite shade of metallic gold. I'll show you how I use this gold leaf a little later on in the video. I repeated those steps to make a second maple leaf, and here's how idea number 1 turned out. This design is super lightweight, so to hang them, I only needed small Velcro command strips. I think that these are super cute to display in the fall, and they only cost me around $15 to make both. For idea number 2, I'm using the placemat that I spray painted gold. If you decide to replicate this project, I would recommend that you use a spray paint that adheres to plastic like this one. Next, I'm adding this super fabric adhesive that I've had for some time to the back of my placemat. Once I removed the cap, I noticed that this adhesive was a light colored green, and I was pretty sure it wasn't supposed to be that color, which simply meant that I had had this adhesive a bit too long. I ended up throwing that glue away and used my Gorilla Clear Grip glue instead. The good news is that Clear Grip is also flexible, waterproof, and adheres to fabric. I used a craft stick to spread the glue on the entire leaf. I also made sure that there was glue on the entire perimeter of the leaf. I then found a 18 by 18 inch leather pillow cover that I wasn't using, and I glued my gold leaf right to the center. Here, I'm firmly pressing down to ensure my maple leaf is as flat as possible. I also carefully removed any excess glue. The following day, my glue has cured and my maple leaf isn't going anywhere. Instead of adding a new insert, I'm using an old pillow that I already had at home. And here's how idea number 2 turned out. I ended up using a slightly larger pillow, and I think the final results are beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I have more ideas on ways to use these beautiful placemats as well as the Dollar Tree table runners, and I'll be sure to share those with you in my next video. What do you think I made next? Leave your guess in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, Bye.